State project together with the whole family of the Bus Philippines. I would like to share this beautiful, beautiful sunrise.
Wagas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huling ng
I'm out. We're here at Polillo Island. I'm with Richard. Yo, I'm with Miss Kia.
At
And check
tinatawag
out
na
the beauty of
tayo
Polillo.
ng bundok.
Alright, so ito na. Biyahe na tayo. Polillo Island touchdown. So, ano nangyari? Sino talaga yung humihilik? Ha? Ikaw talaga yun, di ba?
Hindi ako, boss. Bakit?
Alright, so we're right here at Polillo. Food trip ka na, boy. Food trip ka na, boy.
Siyempre, kailangan natin mag-food trip kasi baka magalit siya.
Food trip muna tayo. Chicken adobo.
Iba-iba magko-call each day, each huddle. Kuya River pa muna.
1, 2, 3, hoop jeep. 1, 2, 3, hoop jeep!
Touchdown Polillo Island. Together Hoop Bus Philippines, Hoop Bus family, right on the top of the Jeep. The show is about to start in a few minutes, so we're just warming up. Do courtesy call, courtesy photos like this. Let's go! All the way! Alright, so we decided the first night.
Barangay Poblacion, maraming salamat po. Kami ang Hoop Bus Philippines.
Day. Kalye.
Ba't ang ano, pag ano, no?
English!
Bakit guys, pag nasa court si Loudmouth, ang lakas ng boses. Pero pag off the court, mabulong.
Huwag yan.
Napaka-smooth.
Papakalambing, panglambing.
Okay, so...
Yo, loud mouth, Angelo. We're still here at Polillo, Barangay Poblacion. So just ended the night and it's all good. Kali Irving, kamusta?
So guys, success, sobrang saya and sobrang dami tao dito. Welcome talaga kami sa Polillo Island. No? So,
Thank you po, ingat po kayo.
sana maulit tong event na to and ganito kawild na event. Hindi lang sa Polillo Island, kundi sa iba. Siyempre.
May ice cream ba?
We got Reach, first day, first island, first tour. How was
Say
it?
about it.
Grabe energy. Grabe talaga. I didn't know about Polillo until like 2 weeks ago, but hopefully when this content comes out, hopefully you guys see it too and want to come here. So,
We say go.
Polillo, aka Pollito.
aka the best of one of the best islands I've been to out here in the Philippines. The energy was immaculate. It was spectacular. It was beautiful. 10 out of 10 recommendation. Come on, and the water out here beautiful.
Raper in English.
What is that? Hindi ko, nakapokus ako eh. Anong tanong?
That's the first day. First day.
Okay. The first day is very, very nice. And I hope everyone here is enjoyed. Right? Yes. And see you guys tomorrow.
Yes, idol. Yes. Papi Chu.
I love your Manny Pacquiao accent, ah. You're so good, man. Is diba? Solid. Ayan. First day, first night, good night. Out.